This 2018 Heartland ElkRidge E326 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Heartland is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 9, stove top burner, skylight, slideout, refrigerator, water heater, DVD player, microwave, TV, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland ElkRidge E326 is 9,612 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.